Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on tips and tricks in Caddy. And in this video we will cover how to set up keyboard shortcuts. Caddy has quite a few keyboard shortcuts set up already for the user to use. To see what they are, we would do the following. We will select from the top menu, select Help, Show Keyboard Shortcuts, and here we've got a list of predefined and user-defined shortcuts. The predefined ones are the keys set up by default when Caddy is installed. The first column refers to the keystroke, the second column the function associated with it, and the third column is the description of the function. When I scroll down by using the wheel button of the mouse, or you can use the vertical scroll bar, I will get to user-defined shortcuts. These are the keystrokes configured by the user. As you can see, I have quite a few on my workstation, which I've started to work with a number of years ago. I mentioned this specifically because I'm also going to teach you how to save your keystrokes and layout in order for you to simply recall them should you reinstall without repeating the whole process again. At the bottom you will see the command named export. I find this very helpful as I can export all the associated keystrokes to a text file or even to an Excel file, and from here I can print them out for quick and easy reference, especially when standardizing your drawing office or teaching someone new. So let's hit the export function. I will use the default folder, but you can obviously save it to any folder or even a resource located on the network should you be in an office environment or network environment. So let's call it Caddy Keystroke. I will select Open. Caddy prompts me to open it and I will click on Yes. It opens up Excel and you can apply some cosmetics here, adjusting the columns, applying borders, etc. I'm going to speed things up a bit here, but you can do this to your own requirements and specifications. The reason for all the cosmetics is that you can print this and you can make it really look professional. You can either print it from Excel or you can export it. So you can either go File Print and print your printer, or you can go in Excel. I'll show you how to do that. It also works in Word. So I can go to File, Export, and I'll create PDF. I'm going to use the default folder again and just select Publish. And there is my keystroke file that I can print out or email it, and I can also print it now on my printer. So how do I map or associate a command with a keystroke? Let's close here and let's do an example. Let's say I want to create a keystroke for entering text via the editor, which means I'm going to hit a key on the keyboard and then the editor must open. So anywhere in the top menu I will right click and select Customize right at the bottom. From the tabs I will select Keyboard tab. From the category I'll scroll down and I will select the function that I need to associate it with, in this case annotate and text. From the commands, again alphabetically, you can either scroll with the arrows or you can use the scroll bar or you can use the wheel button of the mouse. I want to enter via the editor. So that is the command I want to use. Now to enter the shortcut key. So let's go for something logical and select E. So I press E on my keyboard and I need to assign it. So as soon as I hit the assign key, Caddy comes up with a warning that says that this shortcut is currently assigned already. Do you want to reassign this shortcut? I do not want to lose the current association with that E, so I will select No. As we are limited obviously with the number of keys available, you can expand that by combining it with Control and the Shift keys. So let's try Shift and E. So I will click back into the command line here, press backspace to remove that. I'm going to press Shift and E. Now let's assign it and see if it will accept that. Brilliant, it does. Let's select Close and let's test our new shortcut key. So let's press Shift and E on the keyboard and there we have our text editor. Let's add some text and place it down. Please experiment with this while having some fun. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to save not only the keyboard shortcuts, but at the same time your screen layouts. If you enjoyed watching this video, click the like and subscribe buttons, and do not forget to send me your comments and requests. My details as well as download links for the files used in creating this video can be found in the description below. Happy drawing!